Hey, go. Manage. Then get your wood. I didn't tell her. Doesn't get away. Oh, about the Macomacy. The Macomacy, two kind, and I'm doing you say that I am. Any moment you because I see. But when my man both you so both me, I am renting. They're renting a house by petting. You know, but one who told Captain to now then, you feel quick and I did. Oh, no, you know. Hey, you had it. You know, it was hey, you shouldn't know. I'm wanting to know the way I saw. Oh, then change your day. I won't pass you, sister. So you could run things if you who because you mean what don't you know? That's the meaning of everything. Some boys on Pabon, so then change me. Eh, let me pick up with you. Oh, I'm saying, you do the pony. Why? You're careful not to pass me. What is it? Why?
What are you doing here? At my workplace.
You show me sick out.
Why have you been here? How did your money get here?
My issues can be fear and feel.
Or you came to look for me?
I'm afraid. No,
Yeah, so you came because of me?
yes.
Well, we can't be standing here when my manager sees me.
Really? Oh, sure. Meet my baby and Asantewaa. I know there are many times.
Oh, nah. I'll just say that you brought me food.
You are many times.
Oh, nah.
It's really.
So you came to look for me just that? Because you've missed me. Hey, you can be romantic like this and you're always like
You're romantic. You romantic, sanka, and I say, one sometimes, you know, I'm being too much.
I know, it was because you were romantic, that's why I fell in love with you.
My damn, you might be blue grammar.
Hey.
Oh, fee. Right. Yeah, I'm not sure. We're not going to pay them.
Okay.
Oh, can I show it, ma?
Oh, I'm waiting for you to go.
Oh, come on.
Oh, nah. Should I give you a drink or something?
Oh, okay.
I can steal the drink from the fridge for you.
So many just see it.
Why are you angry?
Oh, there's my uncle.
Hey, I know you. You can go like this and you're smiling. When I come, then you'll be angry.
My uncle, you want to?
Baby, are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
But let me see you okay.
Okay.
I've been talking to you about my hair.
You don't miss and come up. I don't miss and huh? It's a good many mass in the boy.
Oh, but there's no one around.
You're bad the mask. I'm dead. I think could be a head. That's good.
Babe, why did you leave the room to come stand in your room?
Why? What's wrong if I leave the room to come and
You
stand?
left without saying anything.
Right. You know probably I'll be standing here, so what should I tell you? Right?
We didn't finish what we were talking about. Why did I do something wrong?
We didn't do anything wrong.
Is there a problem?
No.
What are you talking about? So, you know you can count on me.
Yeah, you know.
So, talk to me. What is it?
It's nothing much. I'm not thinking about it.
I'm sure.
Yeah, just thinking about you.
Alright. So what we were talking about today, yeah, we got to the my heels, babe.
Yeah.
Are you listening? Let me show you the list. We got to the heels, and then the gown should be like something like this. You get it? And then a silver bag, necklace, a diamond, babe.
Yeah, I'm listening.
You're not paying attention.
Oh.
Did I do something
I
wrong?
didn't do anything. I'm just listening
Why are you
to
paying
you.
attention?
I'm paying full attention. I'm paying full attention.
Okay, so this is also nice, right?
Yeah, this one. The pink one.
No, it's a white wedding.
Yeah, right.
Paying attention.
I'm paying full attention. Let me see.
You are not. No.
Yeah. Choose the black wedding gown.
Why a black wedding gown? It's a white wedding.
Sorry. Yeah, choose that one.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, yeah. I'm okay.
The lady called me. She's like, am I coming for the thing? So I have to try them on too. Are you going with me?
Yeah. Maybe I'll be busy inside. You see, I was doing some calls yesterday. So maybe I might be busy. So
the prices. She sent me this. It's not expensive, right?
is that the total price?
Yeah.
Or subtotal?
That's all. I don't know if we are going to need something else again, but I think that's all for now.
No, that's not a problem, but when we go upstairs, I'll give you a check for you to clear all these stuff. Okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah, as soon as we go upstairs, I'll give
That's
you.
I love you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy. I can't wait. So how many best men are coming?
One.
Babe, one. There's supposed to be like 7.
I have only one, so we'll do.
Time no day, unipa. Mo want them bring up a kakana sikaya brand.
The game. Yo. White TV.
They're born all white.
Yeah.
Yo, bro. So what's up? What's up with the preparation? You went carrying, say, I know too many.
Yeah, Charlie. Yes, I went to. I gave her a check. On a check. So on to Tony, I need preparations now. Any star now. Anyhow, anywhere or penny beyond on person.
My guy, that's my guy. The game. Yeah. So you see why they check you? These are some of the things why me I check you, bro. You can't almost say, boy, pop, you get it done, Charlie.
Then the amount like heavy amount like instead of paying a big new luxurious beer like
Charlie, thank you, bro. Name that was it. Though it is you are married, but then I will thank you. Why? Because what mommy says from you understand. Yeah, I introduced the girl to you, and I know she has told her friends say, Charlie, oh no, you come move. You see, I got a free up and go you understand. What's meaning? The game.
New.
But I say you don't look happy, I also.
Everything is fine.
Charlie. The game that I know, I mean, you say you see nothing, you understand? It's a wedding. Wedding, you pay no bro. You don't look happy. Is there anything bothering you?
Being no idea about maybe as time goes on.
I understand, I know. I won't say when you attend a new level, you understand? I said, I brought a phone now, it's no, we look at build that bar, challenge you. Ever fact, if I were in our coming to bear, say, open doubt to Hoka Crabba, Charlie. You understand? Just keep this thing going.
Also, the one issue. So I can't also be like, I really love her and I like her, but yeah,
you but if you have to love her, bro. Because me show fake. You understand? Again, me show fake. And I know say those girls out there no. Omo up see one. Omo buy you, bro. Omo ni me man e wo ho ni bibia chale okofo bi wo ho no be stress o man. We wa game if you akọ oti no. Ya titi no feel, bro. Into only bibia you na say pa, bro. I bet you say you will not regret this. You will not regret this, bro. So what else?
you're sure so no, me no why they not make up. What my problem?
Charlie. You for now.
You go back.
Hey, Ben, I'm on drinks now here. Drinks going. Huh?
Asantewaa.
Drinks now here. Who's going?
Asantewaa.
Me see drinks now. Now over here. Who's going? Now, mate. Come on, come on, problem. Hey, listen. Again, I'm gonna wire you. Hey, who goes to say? And then the Belgian who try something. Yes, sir. Now, one of me, I want to call him free. Hey, Asantewaa, I never knew of silly. We are toy mount. When you say true, what it? A demon of Tassy to will be. One of quiet. One of my quiet. No, Mark, I'm so to back it up for chairman. That's one of quiet or them. Hey, no, I brought you in your part in June. And you didn't know to me what to buy your home in the Sabi, and to say there's a dream out in Joker. Eh? Mama to say the Mamuska, or be by no being an answer to have a horror, no, you did, catch it in our pay. Oh, now pay. Okay, and so maintain your party, get on pay.
I'm missing away.
Oh, okay, who here be?
Manager, he has come to stand. He has not asked me anything. I should just stand up and ask.
Baby, all your customer. I want to be some say. Then I will pay. What be some of them now? What pay BB? You know be.
I didn't see him.
I didn't agree now. What doing? Ah, and crank it and get me some of my father sauce to some moon to me. So, who may do it? You remember? So you know, can do my I didn't amo. I didn't amo. Jimmy, we are say. Bra, young corner the upper men from my wife. Why? Bemena, young corner the upper men from our wife. I don't look at you,
But he said he doesn't want anything.
One baby, one baby, a Kobejan who be saved sound. Young corner the upper men from our.
Hey, this man too. He's too bossy. You see how he dresses here? So right now that I don't have anything to do, I should just stand up and be moving around.
Mo wa nemre na peka kana sikaya brantia.
Oh, Ojewa. I've been searching for you. Not saying you are sitting here.
I've been here the whole time.
Here? But I just came and passed you.
I was.
Wait. Are you crying? Ojewa, has that guy beaten you again?
No, I was just cleaning somewhere and I
Wait,
fell.
where is this mark?
I fell.
Fell from where? You don't want to tell me. The guy has beaten you, right? It's true.
Oh, he hasn't. It's not him.
I told you to leave that guy alone.
Bernice, if I leave him, where will I go?
Where will you go,
He's
say?
the one who takes care of my brother and I.
But you are doing well for yourself.
How? You see, with this salary, how much do we earn?
But it's enough. It's
How
enough
is
to
it
cater
enough?
for both of you.
You know, my brother's school fees. We'll buy food, we'll pay for rent and all that. I can't live alone.
I hear.
Bernice, do you pay your own rent?
I do.
How? Why don't you live with your boyfriend?
Who? Me. I do pay myself. You have to leave that guy alone. He's going to kill you.
He's a lovely guy. It's just that sometimes
Lovely guy na they be all with Max.
when I do something late, instead of us to talk about it, then he'll just hit me.
So you have to leave him alone. There are a lot of guys out there who are willing to support you.
I don't know them. Do you know what they are also coming for? Do you know what they also have to offer? Do you know how they can also be brutal? I don't know. And he's the one I've met. And he's actually helping us. It's just that
I think you are not ready to meet another one. That's why.
I don't
So
know.
he's maltreating you.
I can't move. My uncle was not that supportive to let us move to his side. And then
sorry.
I don't have any friend that I can go and live with.
Okay.
Since you are the one talking about it, will you let me move in with my brother?
Huh? Move in where? No,
You
you
see?
can't stay with me.
There's no one.
You can't stay with me, so I think you have to manage it like that. Okay?
Right now, I came to sit here because I don't want anybody to be asking me questions about this.
As for the questions they are going to ask you, so you have to prepare to answer it, okay?
If anyone asks you, please tell them that I fell or something. I don't know.
I'm not going to lie.
Tell me
That guy
to
bet you, he beat you.
We are going to tell them that somebody has been maltreating
He
me.
has been beating you. It's fine, but have you eaten?
I don't.
Wait, where is your brother?
Yes, he has gone to school.
Hope he's okay. He's fine.
I've been trying to get other things doing to get money to pay their fees, and then Kobe too has been helping me
As for the fees you are
financially.
going to pay, I know you can do it yourself.
Kobe
Okay?
has been paying, but there are some things that he even has to buy, some stationery, books, like so many things that he has to buy for school. He has been wearing just one shoe to school the whole time.
But
And
it's still new.
I cannot. Sending just one shoe to school. It's not easy. It's not easy. If I leave Kobe, I'm not sure anybody will be helping me.
Who's that Kobe?
Maybe we had them call you can say, oh, was it today? A woody in a free. We
Next I'm the woman.
oh, a wicked papa. Eh, no,
The chest of my identifier.
Kafra, oh, free no way. Ah, Bibia, any area. Kafra, Macaca Francis, so now we where wasn't go free, nay, say, Juman.
Okay, babe.
No, I know what I say.
A Jew, I find a Jew, I know, yes.
I don't mean dinner, Miss
Is that my friend of free?
That's all you're free. I know.
Asantewaa. A Jew, I say.
Why, Iddi?
Bibia na say o Marcus. Bibia na say. Me dey me bisa mo. See my country Bibia so. Say the boyfriend here friend Kobe. Say queen
Abono.
Wa bona mani pa.
Etia. Obana pa no ahye nose mask.
So
wa me say Kwekwe Abono.
wa bono.
We don kafro na kasa na no ye ni pelipeli dudu.
Why na queen na say dem.
Enye ofin no.
E fe na ejewa.
We dey open asem o.
Papa.
Why dem now?
It is so.
Me Eriki. Me Eriki fa ho mo kwe.
Sense.
Who be ka asem a che me me dey ke bi aka dem say me no koyo. Me koyo me. Jam.
Like you know the things on your girl in this house, serious.
Who's a girl now? A petit to be our end. Who
I'm sure they know me when you also do the right thing.
Them only be Martina or your who peli or babu. Then my brain wants a man. We all leave.
Oh, you come. What's an anonymous Casado? You come.
Be a hand or bow and who saw it. No coffee. What was a boy and no assem? If you can't make us a dinner, penalty no bone.
Oh, yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Ocean in the mountain.
As a woman, person,
Somebody would
and then Munko.
they carry a horse and match over
Some base, no criminal, my country, no. And you say we need pity man, oh, that be meaning when she said bonnie into no. But also, we need party. I also was taking me to buy who said you were city.
So, no, you do not change to me again. It's a meaning as a knowing.
You.
It's anything that make kind of one thing. Yes, I
want to make it as a kind of get your hanuma as a yeah, in a jira, yes, Asantewaa, and you said they are family, but I say, I shame him style be. They are name is she. To me as a name is she. I catch up some money in friend. You make a catcher and on it, a catcher. I'm boss no crown. You think I years old was can and come.
Cover anything. Cover anything.
They do have the 1 year you win.
Sure, that's some more.
That is a moment most of foolish work. The I mean your own. Okay. Now what are they? AJ1 wine thing. Sure. What be see a Jumemo Hono call come once a what's a bona ocolate?
Uncle Lapsio. Friend Ranu Jimmy, I'm doing Sake Khan.
What was I can kick?
Me and the style could work.
Hey! Oh, so a Jumemo Honum. Nenny na be yet of form.
So, Tony.
What tongue? So what bona to say? What bona wants me and Washington or bedroom call Yejuma?
And rather me born, no.
Oh, Bonaparte.
Ah, Quanchinam the man who cried in his soul.
Where wouldn't be come?
Money being called.
Wouldn't be come, I mean, no casses is here. Your boss, my police for Babby phone.
Eh? Yeah, maybe so long already obeying the lab to me with the other manager. Sure. All the better, police for Babby.
So, Boba.
I the police for the channel. Ah, police for the sugar money. Yo,
me make catch you.
My boss, no, here on Yana.
And to be warning.
Ah, you mean slow, yo, to Yami. Kai!
The me see me dimmy car by catch once and no more do has say, what Janet Janet.
Oh, be to me, Drufia, me can be. Fear!
Tuni police fund the beam.
Santo, I'm sure that's one Yami, you may share me to Yami. Kai! Me slow, Yami. Santo, only me on. Mamma, kai.
Yeah, a bruno. The old boon and his shop. Ya buni bi kan wo ara wo timi mo na na
Santo amen kasa so be ba bi drufie e china mo be se unfoforo ai na mo china mo be se unfoforo ai
ya buni pa no ntimi kwa ansie
amo china me pai ne ha me pai ne ha si wo na so
kwa utimi shada the blow boni ni na ni ba ko e
ba ai wicked pa o
na so me se o
me boni blow se
the blow boni ni na na yi
unyi ni pa okra o
aye se me nyi ni pa ho
ano ano aka
the work ka ho nsem na e meshi ke ka ho nsem too much ase de we ni pa boni ni bi
je se madwuma mu obi atimi din ne bo
obi ya ene oba onye adwuma wote ho no
na se girl na nkasa no opiso oguma ni mu ase e kire manfo
yen kan kire
oba betumu fie e kasa bebi o de oba betumu fie
I trust you
o de me nam na wo say me je se manfo fo me wa dwembone me bo a tunyame ge e ma ne ko ka kire se ma ne mba fie
me
ka kire se ma ne mba fie ko pesi no betu a dia me jeno no
na mi mu me pesa obo no me ze ka kire se ma ne mba fie ni ba be ka chewe me ko
mati
ndu nyane unyane
me so bia o ya me de ya me life si tie no me nyo bia me shela sure ni pasa o
uju hudi o
me so ni pasa azanto ara wu ni mi o me obi asuro mi o tafu ara nga baby obi asuro mi
o ta agbara gafo din pa ada what na order
o se na me small girl bitu me small girl bitu am kwa hwe na my boys na bo me mbre bi pa me kai
on bo ara
on bo me papa
ana sa o kila ni na anya kila o
da bi o sa anga de o so asuro afoforo anga de me fa nko
sa
killers so na killers ni etete o Jona me se me firi ba
ene onya kila me he na ha ma je me twa aga fo amo bye right
Mate hey give pa to so do dimiti adwuma mo no say me Oh, nipa on kai papa me ma ya no, but o say me. Omusuni ndi me ma ya no. My police for abechi no, dem omra. Ejewa, my own day.
What are you talking about?
When you been Ejewa me dia yo. Ah? When you been me dia yo nti wona ma wo say me din. Ah?
I don't know what you are talking about.
Uni dia wo ye. Enti me boni ama ya say me show ni a mutimi nche me boa. How do me ti abonti a wo say me?
Me de what you abonti? What are you talking about?
Jewa. It's not sometimes I need people who are person mo be papa.
Kofi, don't be saying that. What have I done? Talk to me.
No, your papa ma wie. So me go see what you mean. Let's say me chiro mo me boa.
I've not spoken to anybody about you.
E say me nam kura na mo sere me. Me be chomte ma dwuma mo kura na mo sere me. The last time ko fa ka Hotel Junction, me ko krum. Me wadon ba ko o si for ma me ti kwankwan.
I don't even call you Queen.
Now when you boy no. Say you boy no. Ono na tell ni din no. To so bia me boa. Ana so tie adwuma mo na wo say ni jewa.
No.
Jewa.
I'm not calling.
Jewa. Me ya kwa. Me. The next time me timi din wo adwuma mo di no.
Never they come and then they see something on my face.
Flop. Are you okay?
Why are you hating me again? This is what you do that I get bruises and they ask me about it.
Yeah. Boy ni so.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, kasara was there Roman sister now kata ni o ma so no. We mo kura na mo nya no. Bi ka kire o. Hwe, me hu sa de o. Ya de am chine kwa so ba so o person kire se wo ye ku ge. Ana maka kire no the next time ti se me din no kwa ho a wo hu dem de be o. E de ma me nte ko. Na o de bi ni be so. Kama bua me kun. Tona ama adwuma mu ofo kwasiafo we. Dwuma mu kwasiafo. Ye ko bi o wiki da ka ye wo fa. Wo fa na ka ye wiki. Wo fa. Brabe no abo. Wo fa no brabe no abo. Obetuma so we dempo. Sem tu akra atade kwam timi to bi hye. Mumunti. Mumi anu nti atade kwam timi to bi hye. Si abonti na o say me. That be a mistake no. A boy dream, me. A boy dream. The nimbi aso ye. Wicked girl. Tin. Shine nimbi.
Kobe.
Me Kobe. Me mbo mi din chi ho, en krokro mi o. Asin ko yi me ni o ma no. O se de me tap you any masa. Me tap you. Go yi me ni o ma no.
And you go inside now.
Me se be sin ko yi me ni o ma no. I own good girl, me boy. Me tap out style you are always steady. So that I want style be say o dey away. O say me. Well, yeah, but so go right there.
Okay. My Ginti and making no mamma no better. Madamfo. And you may be a way in many Jew. Many Jew cock, he said, Adamfo, your full class had a new leader. Iddi nipa bonifo papa. Hwe, wo fa se jiwa. Ta Iddi ta na dwomu o ha akwa na dwen nyina ya ade ba akopɛ. Ade ba akopinti no ha akwa na dwen. Adai, eyen se, by force. Se papa penyin de waduri. Na peso ye bonisa. Di wo mu nyina ni se, wo fa se jiwa. Eyi Iddi wo pa akora no. Na akora no mpe no tata akora no.
Okay. Are you sure what you're saying?
Very sure. 100% sure.
You sure?
Sure.
No, I'm asking you again. Are you sure what you're saying?
100% sure.
What Iddi, what happened to Iddi?
Binim sedambi na bono. Sedeyo.
Twa, eni wi dem ko titi o.
Wo titi.
Na ye busua na asam. Eno ani sa ma wo paase fo kakra na aka no.
Na wo pe no kra na.
Iti wo bi timi na wo yi bi wo wale. It's a little bit for no check akwa na wo fa ase. I don't know yes
Nimbi kan ni kwanya mi ase me se ke bisa no wo tiska ma wo tibi mamidi kakra wo tibi mi edi ne ko wi a ene o patra na se ne enye mone
na so wo fa ase I don't know fa wo fa ase man ne wo ye nyina ye ni di ho
e se mi ni wo fa ase kokko sa ase mi wo fa ase kokko sa de anke bi di ho
Iddi obi a waware enti no ne me wo fa ase ye ni nsie
woni na ni nsie ni nyina no
he obi a waware marriage man pa enti dinti enye woni
ene de mfa ho my infam to ware kwa nka obeye wotu si du si twom tototo ya asem keto a
utwa ho am toto wo de chese wonnam no wonya hyew de se kwa minim bi o provide you seat one designer be na pempa ma
se adwumu o
why na pempa ma
idi na koto de maame
minim de se wasesa wontali chipta se wo de konkonsa de e ya gift nyame share da dey e de ma
me de me be ka to na sai konkonsa
me sa me chese se do no wase
wo de na mi hu ye no wo de ye ya
wo de me dasi pa na
ba obi na nse na me tisi esi na woni na aye yi wanyem no
ogini
sise ye
ogini nsa na yo
ni wai
na mi twukwa me asema me ka cho yi mk bi kama kire mi hu da kan Japan ye ko bu me e de dade ewura ma ha twufa ma ha e de me san jaso me ne nam fry a ke be twitwa me a bitimi dwane ye se woni no bi tisase mu ya me ka cho na baba
me
sase wi se woni na mo bi ti
me na sem do secret ni ekura me
no woni fe papa na oye ne sane papa
no
ona ne da
ene so yi wo film
se mo e kokoso ho no woni ne da ana papa na ye ne ho se ne ba ne ge
ene wo twefem ene so de fika no ano no atene na afi watwo wo film
baba atene kwai baba me come nan akotokofo de sign me striker one season na mintimi she go back ma bo over the vibe 10 I pamo me say asemi baba obi tia maybe na Iddi
mo wanem rena pe kakana sikaya brantia
my man kola no mro let's say what the drink dey nanka
me okay
will you draw drink now
me see me okay
che Iddi mama kan semleti pa Iddi na me fa asem na wo de ne ba ba atojo mintim wo fa se Iddi mi no nam nyina me no fa se ye adwo sa wo pe no
mai we sa life we na me mpenu wo ba na wo pe bibia no akọ straight no waka na wo ba utimi the allegation bi ba kekekeke enti ne makulu da na de obaje na waje
enye de maji ase
obato so aye sa de yakọ
me se nya de maji ase Iddi mesre wawale twu fra kwa no
na ne okay ni person na
akwa kitwa wi de wu kwa fa yem ba obetimi awo no o fa se kwa ne plan akọ pa kwa na ide
mai ni person na okay
Iddi
Debbie, what the brother na kata. We dey some na okay.
Me se me fele wo. Twu fra kwa no ho. Wanyini, wawale. Eji tiro wudi akra.
Debbie, me se any person na okay.
Man ye sa de me. Wan ye be wi o prison.
Mai.
Debbie akwa no ko fra kwa na bra. Bo wawale ji tiro wudi akra.
Me prison bomb threat. Mai, wo bomb threat. Mai akola no enum sa. Me akola no.
Ewum Iddi wu yi nyina me hu
wo de
eniema e ko aba wo ni akora ni nyina me hu Iddi
akora no me mpelo
wo je ko na ti
wo fa se de se nka me no fa se
na fa ji tira wo
me de na me ko pen man yi
ji tira wo ko pen no
na wo
nye sa de me so na no mpem ya
wa kasa se bu chiro
adai
wa na betu asantro no chiro
wo hu ni kwa na be kasa se bu chiro me nipa ene be ka asem no e kire me de wo ya akora ne kwan a wo ya akora ne nam so e wo dwuma mu anyina mate
me
adai
mai Debbie also akora no
adai
akora no ye me ofase ade bi on ma wo ye ntwa sapa e kire ma no mu nsia wo eti akora no ye me ofase so ade na enye na man ka nanim a mo e kire no on be take things for granted eno nche sa akora no me pena na be bi sa ade
to kana nim na wutufu na hu se chance wo ena wo be de dada akora no se open
mai
ba wo fu wawale eti wo wawale no di akora no be si
me ka se me pa kola
me pa cho na me ka sa wo fu akora no me se wo Asa make a chance me ma home Mr. Chomfri no. Ah, I didn't gonna ferment the woman the kokwa mu di etiri sa adai. Chese me ma sama make an. Chomfri akwa no jai. Ma ye me make wale dem pese asem wi be asem kese. Na fe chire bi obi be siam say eh wan ko adam fidi wo. Mrs. say nurse. Ma ye me ni akola na ti ada na won temase. Me ka won nyimi. What? I wo so ni akola na ti. Debi akola no ndi na ti. Debi heti. Wundi na ti. MK won twantro MK ba. La ilaha illallah. Baba won twantro MK. Na say Rollins kaya ampa so abu be ka no franto. Nanka emfra wo he. Emfra wo he. Emfra he asima MK be kan yi enokwe MK Minister of Information won twantro baby o MK awu MK wa de ya MPP for on wonni MK odidi wo ma sese ya wie no asa hura ko nyina DC ba all the same on the be ka kire me wo se wo odi akura na teacher say wo san akura na asa wo pa wo so wale wale ma ye asembo o kwa ti ye dey de bia me ka chi ana ma ka chiro chumu pra kra no ma ka chiro na MK won twantro minister twantro da ma ye o de ye be hia why ah wo hia me why MK
time no dey unipa mo want him bring up a kakana sikaya branch.
From God's inflow. How problem? My. Na me dey ora o ma ka dey na che.
So waka dey na che. Ntu nim dey waka che mai.
My dey sun ko bebe na mini.
Dey na waka fa me ho a che mai. Dem beto mu.
Wo dey se bebe dey kwa. So you good.
Jan wala sam na waka no ko ka dey sa. Anya waka che mai se afna no fa se me penu.
Ah, boss. No open.
MK what Jimmy sa?
Baby me say no open.
Me penu. Wo mu sa me pakola no.
No open no.
Ne dey ko ka che mai se me pakola no.
Ah. My say me rather can't tell you something.
My say,
hey, my. Oh, me refi. Then me only and come on only me. My do some say. On just say na no fast no. I say, baby our time and you want into contact.
MK one know how to do one or throw.
Eh, what be some assembly?
We be some assembly no be saw. I want no kind no be saw.
What time no fast sir. And I meet him say. Bema de otan obi se bia na peno.
Se o fitan kwala na bebrebe no amu ne ohe na wa peno. O to wo mpena.
So na ye.
Wo yire.
So na ye dwura.
Si ameme na ye dwuma wura me woska ameme eni ntino. So akola ya de na nya na ese peno me boa. Akola ya de na nya na me kan na ese me peno.
You suppose say they do trouble si fra kwai na odi na kujina baby do trouble asa okrokro no. Do trouble asa obuofu. Do trouble asa what you say do trouble is say there. Hey.
MK.
Oh. Huh?
Jimmy for some water.
And I'm told you what.
Now what's a problem? And I tell you so.
Meme bua ma unyeska.
O bua ha ma nyeska. Jimmy we the body pa ma nyeska. Wo nyansa ka wa peska ni bia ma ho.
Na bi state adwese na net ye.
Aha wo nyansa ka ska ni wa pe bia ma ho.
Na mo so de nyame ama o.
Wa nyame ama. Men kan kwasasem.
No wo sika.
Eh, wo kan kwasasem bo aso. O kan samfo mo bo aso. Kan fi mani so ko Jimmy phone.
Eno anti na afre me.
We eno anti.
Na me dia bre ye ju be fe me.
Wa bi won ti ba ko kan kwasasem wa kire maye. Ama maye se man hwe ni amekura no oba chima tum.
Na se no wan fa na wan juntum. Na fa kwa ndo so obechew. Kwa ndo so wan fa na wan chew. Van bia so obechew.
Okay, we ni pa ben.
So we nya amfa no.
Dabi we ni pa ben wo je we ni pa ben.
Ni nyina se ni ni pe ye.
Dabi. Wo we ya caricature. Kafi mani so kokra me.
Sana na musa one.
O se fa na bo. O go ni mo bo aso mo.
Eh,
MK free mani so ko.
We need a friend who say,
Hey, me make us some.
Time no day, unipa. Mo one bring up a kakana sikaya brancha. Kumba ya huda no botumu au mini ai. Mo one bring up a kakana sikaya brancha. We dey grind all day for the money.
Can I help you?
How are you doing?
I'm okay.
Why are you working here all alone today? Where are your colleagues?
And they are also working on the other side.
Ah, okay.
And then serving the visitors around.
Okay. Do you need? Can I help you?
No.
Young lady. I don't know your name, but I came to apologize about what happened yesterday.
Don't worry about that. It happens sometimes, so don't worry.
Yeah, I know.
And it wasn't your fault, besides.
Yeah, it wasn't my fault, but it's somehow my fault because I ordered for the drink. Didn't get it. So I wanted to apologize.
Don't worry. I don't have a problem with that. I was hurt though, but like it's true, it's okay.
Yeah, I know you were hurt because what she did wasn't the right thing. But all the same, is there anything that I can do to apologize?
I can't actually be talking to you right now. I'm supposed to finish this before a certain time, and then when I'm still talking to a customer while I'm working, I'm going to be punished. So I've heard you. Okay, I'm okay. So you can just leave so that I can continue my work.
Seems you are panicking. Is it because...
I'm not panicking. I'm supposed to finish this before a certain time. And we are not supposed to be talking to customers when we are not working for them.
All the same, I'm a customer.
I'm not working for you right now. What do you want me to do? Should I serve you? I'm not supposed to be serving you right now, right? So I can't be talking to you like this.
Okay, I know you are not okay. You are not okay. Is everything alright?
Everything is fine. You came to apologize. I said it's okay. It wasn't your fault.
Or maybe you just want me to bring the lady here.
Oh no, it's okay. I'm okay with that. It's okay, it's fine. It happens sometimes.
So our time will be closing from work?
Around 6 or 7. Yeah.
That's too late. Why?
That's the normal time we close.
Okay. But can I see you off when you close from work?
Can you what? Nah. We can't be seeing customers. Besides,
That's after work.
I can't see you. Why should I see you? Why do you want to see me?
Just to have some time, like.
I didn't even do anything bad, but your girlfriend poured a drink on me. How much more me seeing you afterwards? But
maybe that's the time you are going to be able to accept the apology.
Oh, nice. I said apology accepted. Please, if my manager comes right now, I'll be in trouble. Can you please leave? Please.
Time no day, unipa. Mo one bring up a kakana sikaya brancha. Kumba ya huda no botumu au mini ai. Mo one bring up a kakana sikaya brancha. We dey grind all day for the money. Every day be payday, whether Sunday or Saturday.
Oh, I need money to buy some supplies for school. You know, the stationery, textbooks, the tuition fee, all of that.
Unya, mekano kura na shiro.
Oh, Akunta.
Masunya ayeshi anopawi no.
But Akunta, I need the money. I need it to buy the things, or else I won't be able to continue education normal.
Oh, shame so ana.
No.
Oh, shame so.
Oh, of course not.
Then you had na see me ni bi unhwe na unko school.
Oh, Debbie, it's not that too. But Akunta Queen, I believe that you would get some for me.
Ona school ni nsia de ho. Because Jimmy o de pa. after me kwenkwen atwa so a mama ka cho se kwenkwen no your nkofo different me empanifo despite mo amo ne timi frame kwenkwen wo ni say so frame kwenkwen ha wo ni say so frame kwenkwen
ase edini honame ya sentra
Scanty de minye bi ma why na dey one be sister.
Oh, you know that Precious, she doesn't have money. She hasn't been paid for the month. So I had to come to you. Akunta, please, if you don't help me, I won't get money to continue, please.
Oh, we do anwechi a ansha me ma hwe. Do anwechi a we kebi bi ansha o me ma 1000 kra. Because one woni kasa no, beba na na nye. So the school mu. Why? Ko cheki me ni pebu o se menya kakra me be biro school.
Hey, Akunta kwen. The one and only Akunta kwen. Fomos me check me ya hair won. Me dey be am kan. O pe gangster wa basupan o igaya. Wow. Akunta kwen yanko.
Me pebu.
O be dey.
Me pebu.
Na fans so am man say.
We di mi jimi a o peska mi ko pe bia ma o se frame kwenkwen.
Debi na interest me ma fans.
O be hwe bibi o. O be hwe bibi o tell me ka che no. Na sister no konti me kasa menim se de awo kasa menim no. O say
the fat me.
Oh, you are the emebo a. Me you stubborn say o. Me you stubborn.
Me away.
Me akra born e kra say o. Just na ka che no. I'm so gangster now fefe me die ni mewa. See ya guys o.
The fat me.
Ka che ka uni na me ka ntime che no. So nja.
Me ka me chira.
Ya ga ka uni na ka me
chira.
Uni na first day me che no be wi ani ko gina. Point and kill. Chira na ni oku ama no. Asia. Ese ye ko na peka krama.
Right, aka adebaku. Say we catch him say we change na dey real good.
And say me nto fake that.
But me we are waiting back be go school me coin na teachers in class me say ade na alomi.
Anya hwe wetin say no fra edinfra. Edinfra MSA.
Oh.
Yanko na peka krama. Yanko na peka krama.
Hey, Akon. Me sinya butre.
Debi. Should me tun waye. My standing me egusu 2 weeks. Me me cry me pacho.
Why you behaving like that?
Debi. Show me wa hwe. Hey, oba kama te se me.
See they make up.
Debi wig ni dey wo se me koto.
Wig ti what dey here ka wo dey wig adai. I didn't know get saba mo pa wig sa.
Debi say wo se me looking nice.
Mo ba ni mo do tuntu.
I don't know looking nice dada. Hey, me pacho, this show. And now I will hear some qualify save me more. But I have some.
You see the mama na e kadai.
Ah, me pacho.
Di ti oba na se ada chop money anko no. Na e
buy 90 say.
Na tama wo ba ya ni bi wo na ne. Ma hwe wo ma to no epusa epuwa no. E na wo na de profit so.
90 me so I just me cook baby for.
Sa.
Remember we be crying.
But o sa de wa poto no nchi so di bom fako. Why?
Debi by any time me just kana.
I'm taking care of you. By now if you try me say I'm a fool.
Oh, you are not a fool.
So what happened?
Me just can. Me egusu 2 weeks.
I will tell you, me na me
Debi, me meet me fast.
Say me na me no. I ask you 3 more time. But I like your hair.
Say Debi am me shadow, me pia one thing. Hey, me now for pia. Debi na me show say me ni omo.
Omo to say pa de mo ni di na apedi o. Ba see peto.
Esta fuck is your crown e pronounce me how I say na. Me
yes I was you was can even how be call but say o puma wi no on to wo nem
ai menya
yo baby o sika ni o benya o but you feel wo won
penisa sika no nko abeba nko ade am okay
say won satisfy na sika no be ba we
am okay
hey
problem
o de ba
Debi
na to say me ni bi no
na ko baby awuko
wo di mechi na kwa abonti
baby awuko
e di mechi be bra wo be bra
mewra ade Debi am ma ho
wo be bra
meba meko
wo be shim
meshim yenko na fama mi
na mi tu e
yenko Debi we retu Scanty na me buy na de nya nti na buy pa so
hey we walk ya o si obi no dane be ayi 1k man say see ya obe hura tran mechanical mamana
hey what's my prices 1k is some price
that is you want to say
hey say that 100k na eko
sure
oh na say last week you be ma me 8k buy still ma anti ase say me don't want ma anti ase
8K, 80K, sorry.
You say about 8K ho. Eja intini ho. Intini ni 8K.
Na kwa maji intini na kwa modem.
Na se intini.
Na kwa modem.
Ode ni mre. Eni ma tie. Kukua.
Me bana ni
Kukua. Me pema o mo.
Wo dia cheke.
Me pema o mo toton so asempa
kukua. Na me ba me so me do nti ai. Me last week kran ka mi ko. Nti yan ko na fesi.
No ni mati kukua.
David.
Tadi o.
Na die be bia ko bia mi di wachi.
Nti o pasa me nyade.
Fesi kan man.
Ya nko na me ngobu.
Na o dia ma. O ma me se. O ma me se.
Na ni di ho request ni bi ni dia 1K.
Na atare.
Na atare na say.
500 cedis.
No new count of 500 cedis. Hey. Yan play. That's a throw. We gaga no e nyina oku raho. We say ko wono. Be ma de me si o hian se wontin be strong. We won we am say for amfulu no. Me am offer as din. Ah, gaho.